People romanticize the rich life more than anything else. The sky-high apartment overlooking the whole city, the kind of home where the lights, blinds, music, and AC come alive before you even touch a button. A yacht slicing through crystal blue water like it's made for royalty. 5-star dinners on a random Tuesday. Wardrobes full of labels you can't pronounce. A driver waiting downstairs, and the feeling that time, stress, and limits don't apply to you. You see it all over social media, the drone shots, the luxury edits, the music videos dripping in aesthetics. But here's the part nobody ever says out loud. Living like the ultra-rich costs way more than becoming rich in the first place. The lifestyle people dream about isn't millionaire money. It's multi-millionaire with a financial engine behind the money. And once you look at the number, it's a shock. Let's start with the home. That jaw-dropping 3,000 to 4,000 square feet penthouse in New York, Miami, or LA? The one with the private elevator and panoramic skyline views? Rent alone sits around $25,000 to $45,000 a month. Buying it? You're looking at $5 million to $20 million, and that's bare, empty concrete. Then you start adding the things that actually make it luxury: condo fees, HOA dues, on-site services, $5,000 to $12,000 monthly. Fully customized interior, designer furnishings, premium appliances that worth $250,000 to $500,000 just to set up. Smart home automation and luxury finishes, another extra. You're dropping more money before move-in day than most people make in 10 years. And that's because you're not paying for square footage. You're paying for protection. 24/7 front desk, multiple layers of security, private access floors, surveillance, staff who track everyone coming in and out. Once you reach this level, luxury becomes a target. Security isn't optional, it's built into the lifestyle. Now the staff. People think, I'll just hire a housekeeper and call it a day. Nope. A real luxury household runs like a mini company. Housekeeper earns $45,000 to $80,000 per year. Private chef? That's $90,000 to $150,000 a year. Michelin level, over $200K. And chauffeur? $60,000 to $120,000 a year. Assistant? $50,000, $100,000 a year. Extra part-time staff for laundry, nanny, and a night shift cleaning. Just the staff alone can cost $300,000 to $500,000 per year without even trying. If you want private security, add $250,000 to $1 million plus, depending on your public profile. And here's something most people underestimate. Taxes hit wealthy earners like a freight train. Cross into the highest U.S. tax brackets, and you're losing 37% to federal. Add states like California or New York, and your total tax load can hit 45% plus. So if you earn $1 million, you really keep around $550,000. And if your rent alone is $30K per month, that's $360,000 gone instantly. $1 million a year doesn't fund the Instagram lifestyle. You need $5 to $10 million per year to live the way people think millionaires live. Now let's talk toys. The yacht fantasy? The champagne on the deck while sailing through the Mediterranean vibe? A modest yacht, 80 to 100 feet, costs $6 million to $12 million. But the real cost is the upkeep. Yachts burn money like jet fuel. Expect to spend 10% of the yacht's price every year just to maintain it. A $10 million yacht is equivalent to $1 million yearly. Fuel for a single long weekend costs $20,000 to $30,000. Crew salaries cost $300,000 to $500,000 per year. And that's for a small yacht. Once you're in the 150-plus foot range, you're spending $2 to $5 million per year in running costs. This is why billionaires own mega-yachts. Millionaires rent them. Everyone else just watches. Private jets? Another level. A smaller jet like a Gulfstream G280 goes for $18 to $25 million. A flagship jet like a Gulfstream G650 sits around $45 to $70 million. But again, the killer is the maintenance. Fuel for one cross-country round trip, $20,000 or $40,000. Two pilots? Well, that's $120K to $200K each. And also think of the hangar storage. It's $70K, $120K per year. Annual maintenance, hundreds of thousands. Owning a jet can easily burn $1 to $3 million per year, even if you barely fly it. That's why even the extremely wealthy join fractional jet programs. Jet ownership isn't millionaire mode, it's billionaire headache. Now let's hit lifestyle inflation. Once you step into high-end living, everything multiplies. Fine dining. That's $3,000 to $5,000 for a night out. Weekend in Aspen? That's $20,000. Ski session with instructors and lodging. $50,000 to $100,000. Private club memberships? $20K plus to join, then yearly fees. And then there's grooming, wellness, aesthetics, trainers, $2,000 plus per month. And once your life upgrades, it rarely downgrades. Luxury becomes the baseline. The baseline becomes the trap. But here's the real kicker. The millionaire lifestyle isn't expensive because of the flashy items. It's expensive because everything depreciates and everything needs constant upkeep. Cars need $10K to $20K yearly maintenance. Meanwhile, luxury insurance is thousands monthly. Tech, clothes, furniture, always updating. Repairs, replacements, upgrades, renewals. It never ends. This lifestyle isn't a collection of assets. It's a machine that constantly consumes money. So when people say they want to live like a millionaire, what they really want is the life of someone making $5 to $10 million a year with a net worth of 20 to 30 million plus. Because wealth doesn't buy luxury. Wealth buys the ability to keep luxury alive. Once you understand the math, it all makes sense. The dream looks effortless. But behind the scenes is a non-stop financial engine, burning fuel every hour of every day. Living like a millionaire isn't about owning luxury. It's about feeding luxury. If you're still here, you're already more aware than most people who only see the highlight reel. If you want more deep dives into wealth, luxury, money psychology, and the truth behind high-end living, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "Do the Billionaire Breakdown next." It helps the channel massively and lets me know you want more real talk about the world behind the glamour. Thank you for watching.